how to get iOS 18 beta manually. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your settings and check your Wi-Fi is connected or not. After that, open up general settings. Then scroll down and here you would be able to find this option of VPN and device management. Simply open it up and make sure that your VPN is not connected and disconnected. After that, simply open up your Safari browser or any other browser. Then Google for Apple Beta. After that, open up the first link that you will see in the search results, which is Apple Beta software program. Simply open up and wait for it to load. After that, scroll down and over here you would be able to find this option of sign up or sign in if you are already a member of it. Then after signing in, continue with your Apple ID, and after that you would be able to find the option of enroll your iOS device. Simply click on it and enroll your iOS device. Now you would be able to find the option of open beta updates. Simply click on it and there you would be able to find different iOS versions that you can check out, and simply click on them in order to check them out. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.